Wala po for the city of Baguio, we did not record any MPOX. But last year, we recorded one suspect. But the patient turned out to be negative on confirmatory test.
Bagaman nakapagtala na ng isang kaso ng MPOX sa bansa nito lamang buwan ng Agosto, nananatiling MPOX-free ang lungsod ng Baguio. Ang MPOX o ang dating tinatawag na monkeypox ay isang sakit na may parehas na sintomas sa smallpox. May dalawang klase ang MPOX, ang Clade 1 at ang Clade 2. Ayon sa US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, mas delikado ang Clade 1 type kung ikukumpara sa Clade 2. Nito lamang 2022, idineklara ng World Health Organization ang MPOX bilang Public Health Emergency of International Concern at ang Clade 2 type ang nakitang dahilan.
It's formerly known as monkeypox. Ngayon, naging MPOX na siya. And it was declared as a public health emergency of international concern in 2022, having more than 100,000 cases and 300 deaths. And the cause of it is what we call a Clade 2. Parang type yan ng virus ng MPOX. Clade 2 po ang pangalan.
Ayon naman sa mga pag-aaral, lumabas na ang MPOX ay maaaring maipasa sa pakikipagtalik.
And we have found that based on research, they are sexually transmitted from an animal being transmitted to humans. Now they are sexually transmitted.
Samantala nitong Agosto muling idineklara ng WHO ang MPOX outbreak bilang Public Health Emergency of International Concern.
And save lives.
And it's more deadly than the previous one. And there are around 500 deaths now in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So this is more deadly than the Clade 2 in 2022. So we have to put our guards again.
Dagdag pa ng CHSO, posibleng nandito na ang sakit sa Pilipinas kasunod ng naitalang isang kaso nito.
And just the other day, August 19, the Philippines recorded the first case of MPOX since December. Is this Clade 2 or Clade 1? Hinihintay pa po natin yung result. But this patient did not have a travel history to the Democratic Republic of Congo. So it means the virus is already being transmitted here.
Naipapasa ang MPOX sa pamamagitan ng direct contact, kabilang ng skin-to-skin contact, body fluids at sexual transmission. Sakaling tuluyang makapasok ang sakit sa lungsod, handa ang CHSO para labanan ang pagkalat nito.
So if ever, isipin natin, if ever there will be a case of MPOX in Baguio, the same thing that we have done with COVID, we will do the same. We do contact tracing, we isolate the case, we quarantine the exposed.
Kaya upang maiwasang dapuan ng naturang sakit, parating paalala ng mga eksperto na palaging gawin ang minimum health standards. Isa na rito ay ang paghuhugas ng kamay. Conan Golapa para sa PIO, Baguio Balita.